Hello friends, today I want to show you how you can create a bar graph between two categories, China and USA. Also, you can put data table below the bar graph. Let's start. I have this data for China and USA about CO2 emission from 2010 to 2080. Simply select the data, then from Insert, go to Charts. Here I choose bar chart, and you have different options. Which one you want to choose, it depends on you. I choose this one. Okay. Here you can add title. From this plus sign, access title, chart title, data label. You can apply data label, data table as you see. You can add data table, error bars, grid line is already added, trend line I don't need. I want to put the title, CO2 emission. Title, here I have to put unit, metric ton, and this is year. Okay. From here, design, you can switch role. In this way, you can see the data for USA in a site and for China together in another site. But I don't want to use because this type is so easy to make comparison between the two countries. Also, from chart element, you have the same ability to add access title, chart title, data label. For example, you see that here inside base, outside. Here you have different options. Data cloud. I don't want to use this one. Data table. Here you can use data table with legend keys, no legend. This one. Also, if you want to change the color for bars, just click one time. If you click on the bar, you can only select this one, this bar. No, only one time and change the color. Right click. Then I want to choose red one. For China, one time and right click, choose, for example, black. Okay. That is the creating bar graph with multiple categories. I hope it can be helpful. See you in next tutorial. Have a nice time.